Welcome to Stack. Today, I will show you how to fix error code 2203 on Windows 8 when installing programs. First, the easiest step is to run the installer as an administrator. Just right-click on the installer file and select Run as Administrator. After that, try to install the program again. If the error still appears, we need to do a few more steps. Start by opening the Run window. Press the Windows key and the R key at the same time. In the box, type %temp% and press OK. This will open your temporary files folder. Keep this folder open for now. Next, we need to stop a service that could be blocking the installer. Search for Services and open the Services app. Look for Windows Installer in the list. Right-click it and select Stop. If it is already stopped, you can continue. Go back to the Temp folder you opened earlier. Select all files and delete them. You do not need to worry about any system files. Just delete everything you can. After deleting the files in the Temp folder, return to the Services app. This time, right-click Windows Installer and select Start. Finally, try running your installer again. The error should now be resolved, and your program should install successfully. Thanks for watching this tutorial.